So there's this thing called Quillbot, and you can use it as a website or like just open up a window, or you can even add it as an extension for Chrome. So what I'm using right now, so over in the left right here, you can paraphrase, you can check your grammar, or you can summarize. So what I'm doing right now is I'm just taking the first part of Antigone right here. So just like the background. So what I'm going to do is take the background part right here, and I'm going to copy and paste. So I'm going to copy it right here, and then I'm going to go into the Quillbot. So it automatically puts something else in there. It will do that too. But so what I'm going to do is put the first part of the play, because it's not really summarizing so I'm going to do a Control V, and then I'm going to click summarize. And so over here, it gives us a summarization of that first part of the play. And you can even make it longer, that summarization longer up here, or you can even make it shorter. So with this new technology of the bot technology, the new things that we are facing, this is a really great way for our SWD students to embrace this technology and use it for summarizing or paraphrasing. I think that we could take advantage of this. So thanks, guys.